What's good everyone, Dsgpantha here. Today I'm actually going to be installing a new intake on the Golf. So yeah, it's my first actual proper mod for the Golf. So today Direnza have been the sponsor for the channel and also the sponsor of this video. So make sure you go link in the description, go and use my code etc. Go and check them out. They do all types of performance modifications for your Golf, Polos, i30Ns, i20Ns, Mercedes, etc. The list goes on and on. So anything VAG related and certainly performance related, you can go, you get stuff from there, downpipes, springs, spacers and air intakes. So yeah, without further ado, let's install it today. It's similar to the R600, but in my opinion this is much better for the money and it's just better all in general. Like why would you, whatever. Let's just get into the video. Let's install it. We've got to take the stock airbox out obviously, and then we'll put the new one in. This isn't a how to install, this is more just me installing it and, you know, testing it out, seeing what it sounds like, etc. It's pretty simple to install and you don't really need an installation video. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Go and follow Direnza here and also follow me at Dsgpantha. Let's get into the video and let's install the new intake. So as you can see, this is the stock intake. It's literally just the stock GTI intake for the 2 litre. It's a 7.5. I believe it will be the same for the TCR, the Golf R and the Mark 7 variants as well. So we're going to get the Vortex one on in a minute. We'll take this stock stuff off, I believe. It's just the clips around here and then the hose clips there, because it replaces that bit and the air intake, and then we just need to get this bit all out as well. Once that's all off, it's literally just bolts, T20s is all you need, and then we can get the new Vortex intake installed.
Pretty one, see your eyes so amazing. See you praying at the club, man, I'm faded, wasted. I ain't tryna work no day shift, putting in work, you know I'm gonna make it. We can do it together, and if you stay by my side, we'll be winning forever. So my target is high, I'm a hitting Beretta, and I want you by my side, girl, you make my life better. We living life in a fast lane, baby. Give it to me, girl, man, you're driving me crazy, crazy. Man, I whip so crazy.
Also, so far as you guys can see, we've got this off, the air intake box. Now that is officially off, as you can see. And we've got the pipe off as well. We just use some cable nippers. And then we just need to get something in here to slide these little sibs and hose off. And then that is the air intake box done. We just got to clip it off these little bits here. And I don't know if we're replacing this turbo inlet pipe yet, I'm not too sure. We do have to get this bit off as well. So let's do that and then let's figure out where we're going.
19 lit with the guys, man, we do bits. Girl, I like how you looking, I dress but undress. Take you out for a drive, don't stress when I'm out with a
cool, there we go. That's that bit off. And now it's all free. As you see, I just slid it off with this because it's got it under there. And now the air intake box is off. So guys, as you can see, we've actually got the intake on. Now I did have a bit of trouble with like the little bits on the side here. I just managed to clip it in at the bottom. Now it sits all good, and then we've also just used some T20s on the side as well. But yeah, it's actually looking alright. As you can see, it's all tucked under there, and then the other parts are to the left of me. But yeah, I used these T25 Torques because the other ones actually didn't work. The T20s didn't work. So yeah, over here we're going to have a look at the other parts we've got. So as you can see, we've got the air filter in all its glory. This is like the main piece of the puzzle that we need. And then after that is another inlet pipe, and then I believe that bit over there is actually the turbo inlet pipe. Now I'm not too sure if this replaces the bottom part of it, the elbow. I think that is actually a separate part that we need. I don't know if Direnza do one. It would be helpful, but then this is just the spare parts bit. They've just got like a random hose. I think it's the one that goes underneath the main air filter that you can replace, and then just other spare parts and some clamps and the Jubilee clips that we can use as well.
Cool, so just on these bits here, I did actually have to use the other T20s that or 225s that I had, because the other screws that I had that fitted into the airbox originally didn't fit. So I don't know why. I don't know if that's how it's meant to be. Could be an absolute div. But yeah, so I've put these ones back in, and yeah, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, all good. Let's get the last turbo in my pipe on, and then yeah, then we can start it up and see what it sounds like.
Alright guys, so we have now installed the Direnza Performance Vortex intake. I'm going to show you what it looks like, some cinematics of it, and then we'll get into some couple bits of driving off some flybys of what it sounds like as well. And then yeah, I'll talk you through some of the bits that I struggled with installing it. I probably just didn't read the instructions properly. Yeah, I'll turn the engine off and we'll have a look at the induction kit, what it looks like, and how easy it was to install. As you guys can see here, this is the Direnza Vortex intake. Now I did struggle a little bit with the clamp down here. It's just a Jubilee clip, but I did struggle a little bit getting that fitted. But apart from that, it was quite an easy installation. These T20s here just obviously replaced where the stock one was. You are literally replacing where your stock intake was, so you don't need instructions. It's pretty simple. There is just a little clip here. This rubber bit needs to go in facing this way, just so the Direnza's facing out, and then that will go on easily. I did put the sticker here just so people know that in the engine bay we're all about Direnza. But yeah, so this is their Vortex intake. This is for the Golf R, Golf GTI, etc. But yeah, it fits really nice. It literally fits perfectly inside the engine bay. And then in here you guys can see that is where the intake is. So all the air goes through the front and then obviously into the induction kit. So yeah, it's pretty easy to install. I definitely recommend this. Link in the description if you guys do want to buy this. And now I'm going to get into some clips of what it sounds like and some cinematics, and you guys can, you know, hear what it sounds like, because to me it sounds a lot better than the stock one. It's not too as bow, but it's definitely loud enough to the point where you can hear it, and also it gets enough cold air in for when you stage one it. It'll be perfect for power game. So guys, that has been the induction kit install video. It is now currently raining, so I can't really get out and show you anymore, but you've already seen everything. Any questions or you need any help fitting it, just ask in the comments, or just DM me on Instagram or DM Direnza. They're always more than happy to help you. They do some more mods that I'm considering putting on the car. They've got spacers and lowering springs, so everyone go and hit them up, go and follow them. Make sure you show all the love, because hopefully we can get them to send some out as well. It would really be helpful to get some spacers and springs on it, because it does sit, yeah, it doesn't sit how I want to yet. But yeah, so massive shout out to Direnza for the induction kit. Well, I thought we were going to end the video here. As you can see, it's chucking down, but I've also got my stickers on now, so it looks better. But yeah, so make sure guys that I liked and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next YouTube video, which will be with Calvin. Peace. Do it this time.
Come nearer to the car though, I think. Yeah.
Alright, so we're back now. Calvin, what are we doing with the Polo?
Well, basically, so you've had a bit of a nightmare with this car. Do you know what?
Yeah.
No, you haven't. You've had an amazing time with this car, haven't you?
Yeah, I have a lot of memories which I might put on screen now, to be fair, so you see them.
Check out them memories.
Yeah.
And you've had a good couple of years with it.
Baby, give it to me, girl, man, you're driving me crazy, crazy, man, I whip so crazy, S3s, Coopers, GTIs,